I'm here with Anissa, and we are shopping for some laminate flooring. Why is this so zoomed in? I'm really sorry. So I've been here before, and I just cannot decide on which one I want to do. Let me turn this brightness up. So I'm basically at the place where people get like a supplier of laminate flooring. So like a wholesaler. Sexy leg, Anissa. So this is all the laminate flooring they have. I definitely know I want to go with a 12mm thick laminate flooring. I think all their laminates are 12mm thick. It's just a lot more better quality. It's a lot more dense. It won't create like bubbles, or it's less likely to. And it feels more like floor. Whereas they have like the 8mm ones. It's not sponsored, by the way. They don't even know I'm filming in here. Oh look, this one has a sale now. This one. This is the one I looked at last week. There wasn't a sale.
I don't like how gray it is though.
Yeah?
It's like
I like the green. How about this one?
Ooh, I like that one.
You like this one? It's not too warm?
No, I like how light it is because it'll look nice with the white walls and everything. And even if you have accent walls, and it goes with the theme of your Pinterest mood board.
Does it? Or is that the filter of a gray one? There's these ones. Oh, this is the one that I liked.
The darker?
Yeah.
I prefer lighter if you're gonna.
For this one? This one's out of stock. But this is a nice color, isn't it?
Yeah, it is pretty.
It's called
I think this is the one you showed me where it has like a hint of yellow.
Yes. That one's too brown.
Too brown.
This one's okay. No?
I kind of like this one. That's the one on stock.
Okay.
This
That's
one's
too
yellow,
brown.
but I like it.
Nah.
No. I don't know. I'm like,
This one went down in the price.
how much?
It was 19 before.
Well, it's low on stock, that's why.
Or it went up. It was not 17 for sure. And the last one is the one. Oh, it's out of stock. But they're getting more. This is the best? Do you like this one the best?
I don't know about best, but I like this one because it has that hint of brown in there, like the warm tones, and it has cool tones too, so it'll go with everything that you have.
I feel like this one,
It's like the best.
you know, yeah, but this one's the one I had my on it just because it looks more like wood than all the other ones.
Yeah, it actually does, like legitimately. All these little things, and if you feel it,
The texture as well, right?
yeah.
This went down. Get the hell out.
What was it before?
$19.99.
And now
And you know what the guy says? The guy's like, if you order over 100, you'll get it for $18.99. Look. And I thought he was giving me a deal.
Lying ass.
Yes.
You gotta put your wedding ring away. And start
I didn't even have a wedding ring.
Oh.
And my wedding ring isn't even like proper diamond.
Take off the
Taking it off.
I'm just kidding.
Then putting it back on after I get a discount. It's a joke. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go with that end one over there. It's called Highlander Silver. Because that seems like, it looks like wood, but then it has like a warmth to it. So I can kind of play around with the coolness and the warmth. And I just think it kind of is like a good in the middle. I can't believe on the price change. I feel like I've been lied to. Is that Adam? I think that looks the most real out of all of them. Ew. This one's not cute.
No, it looks weird because each of them have that little swirl.
Yeah.
Real wood.
This is called herringbone. I just can't commit to herringbone.
Not like this, but I like the style, like the Parisian.
I just feel like it's just, I cannot commit to it.
What is it called? Parquet?
Yeah, parquet. Parquet? No, I think
Yeah,
it's
with
parquet.
molding everywhere.
Can we just take a second?
Okay,
and...
bye.
Oh my goodness. No cameras, no cameras, no cameras. Let's go downstairs and ask them what the heck is going on with it. Look, my nail polish totally matches my dress, by the way. It was not done on purpose, but I'm feeling it.
You're just so fashionable.
Stop. There you go. That's like, you see here?
Hey, Mama, looking sharp. We have to do talking.
Oh.
Let me on YouTube.
Oh,
No, you can say hi.
hi. How are you, Anissa?
Oh,
Going.
this is for Manal.
Oh, hi, Manal. Where are you going, Manal? We're gonna go buy some paint.
And at this moment,
Yes.
Manal realized she was the mother.
What? And we cried.
He's so confused. Worst vlogger ever.
Adam was the wall at home because we need to get a sample of the one that we have at home and touch up the
I'm
walls.
so short.
I think we're gonna go with. Do you remember what it looks like?
The black wall?
Galaxy gray? The one we have at our place.
I don't know.
Let's just take a whole bunch.
Really don't know.
Let's go with Galaxy Gray. Let's go with Thunder Cloud.
Are we just gonna fill in?
Yeah, fill in the gaps. And also maybe use it for the new flat, right?
Well, you said you wanted one wall with
Exactly, yeah. I kind of want the exact same color.
got it.
Oops, I just took like all of them. Oh, mine. Mine.
Claim it. It's yours.
He's choosing a color. Adam choosing a color now.
What color,
He's
Adam?
choosing on his room. Yes, he's choosing his room. Lovely room. Hey, Angie. Okay. Adam.
It's like Adam's enjoying the colors.
We need like a straight camel for Adam's bedroom. Like a tan.
You say camel, but I'm looking at toffee coffee.
No. I don't know. We need Bronze Storm. Oh, Bronze Storm
That's actually really pretty.
for Adam's room.
Yeah.
I like.
We approved this message.
What about that one? Ooh, no. Okay, now for the jade green.
Jade green. Jade green. Which one were you thinking?
Like a really soft.
Like on the lighter tones or in the darker?
Like a literally like a.
Oh, you're thinking light. That's like has too much gray in it, no? Ooh, jade. Here. Jade. Jade.
Yeah. Is this too jade?
I mean, I likes it, but
On the wall.
which they're not
Let's
gonna be
take this just in
together.
case. No, that's not the right jade. What about fountain form?
That's
No, that's
pretty.
blue. That's prettier than jade?
No, than the other one you chose. I don't like that one. Reminds me of like an ugly ocean painting.
Oh, let me move this. So we have these colors so far. This is going to be for Adam's statement wall. This will probably be for our bedroom statement wall or feature wall, and this one would be for the guest bedroom.
Yeah. I like it.
For the
It's
bathroom, I
peaceful.
want to do like a tiling. That's this color. How pretty is that? Not all together, but you know,
A theme.
there is a theme, isn't there? For the bedroom, for our statement wall. Morning sun?
That's pretty.
That's pretty.
I actually like that one a lot. Because it's not so gray where it looks like dull and dead.
Let's look at it next to white.
Where's white? Out of all the colors, they don't even...
Oh look. The blue light, red light, and daylight. So these are the three different spotlights that the electrician was talking about. And we could have gone with a blue tone, a warm tone, but we decided to go with the daylight. That looks nice. They all look really good.
Yeah.
This makes the gray look white. Not
This is
cute.
off-white.
And this is just way too warm. I like this gray as well.
That's pretty.
I think it's a better gray than this gray.
Yeah.
This is too blue.
Yeah,
Right?
I feel you. Oh my god, are you chinutAy?
What did I tell you about calling me that? What do you think? This one?
I mean, Damn. That's hard.
It's like, do I go bold?
Yeah, for the
Do I
feature
go bold
wall.
for the feature wall, or?
And it's going against white. The rest of them are white, right?
Yeah, I want to show you something.
Stuff
How
like
did
that.
this green look next to? Green and white look next to.
Well,
I wanna
yeah,
put
like
palm
nature. Trees.
Yeah, I want to put palm trees in like this room.
Yeah.
So it's like a jungle theme.
Okay.
Cute, right?
Yeah. Then you can add details of this instead.
Yeah.
We haven't asked Adam if he likes the color.
Which color do you like?
He's too busy eating his hoodie. Yeah.
What's with all this fur?
It's
Adam,
strong.
what color? Pick one.
Baby. Mashallah. Who is this baby? Team 101. Fellas, she's taken. Yeah, arch the back even better. Just, yeah, ooh, that goes inwards. You should add like elevator music right now. Oh my god, who's that? Five head. Oh! Are you okay?
No.
Too small.
You can get a brand new shower.
Too it's alright.
No.
We're getting more. What is... Why would somebody want like a mirror? Okay.
This doesn't fit me. This is not the right size. It does not matter. Oh, I have to come out sideways. I legit. Anissa, you watching this?
Well, no shit.
It's like a pregnancy weight that I've gained. I don't like that one.
This one will fit you.
Hey! This one won't fit me.
I said, well, you heard it here first. Yeah. 2 people. Hold on.
This one doesn't make me feel so big.
Look, it's my bar.
Measure, you know? There's like arm room. There has to be enough arm room.
Yeah.
Because if not, she's going to drop all the shampoos.
Oh, no, I dropped the shampoo. This one's for me.
That's nice.
Thick.
Ooh.
This is the right size for me.
Oh.
Wow.
Broken handle, though. Can you...
Honestly, I don't understand. Do they make these for like tiny people?
You have a backpack on.
First thing you do is, if you can't find your bonnet, take your underwear and do your magic.
I don't know how she does it, but she puts underwear as an undercap.
We're just gonna.
People, a Manel authentic hijab tutorial. No neck, no hair for all you hijabi. What is it?
Haram police?
Yeah, haram police. Mashallah, sister. But ankles?
Hey, bring it up.
My eyes are up here.
Alright, so this is pretty much our master that is finished painting. The whole room is pretty much finished painting. The flooring is pulled out. The next thing to do is flooring. He also painted the bathroom white, which looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. Compared to the last video that we showed you, I mean, there's a huge difference. I just love it, and I really love this tone of gray. It's like more warmer. He also did the staircase, white. How much better does this look? I'm like crazy happy right now. This is Adam's room. Remember I showed you this in the last video. There was carpet on the floor and the room was like a cream color. He painted it like an orangey tan camel color. You know what, this color does look a lot different than it did on the swatch.
Oh, did it?
Yeah, it was
Was it
more
lighter?
it was more like camel. It looks like orange.
Yeah, it's more orange.
But I'm not mad because it goes with
It looks
this.
like leather to me. You know that leather orange?
A little too bright,
Leather brown?
I think, for leather brown, but it's still nice.
That's nice.
This is the color. I mean, it's still nice. I'm not unhappy with it. This is a little play area in the closet, and then the bathroom. Let me just turn it on. Ensuite we showed you. Well, this is it. He painted it, and it looks amazing. Definitely want to replace the tiling inside of here because it looks kind of mucky. Especially now that everything is white, you can see like the grout turn brown from lime scale.
Yeah.
So definitely want to replace the inside of that. I don't mind keeping the shower, the actual cage.
Okay.
But definitely want to replace the inside,
What do you mean the inside?
like the actual tiling on the inside of the
Oh
thing.
yeah.
Hey. And then yeah. Ooh, I want to show you the guest room. The guest room is this color. Let's make our way down. Close the light. Let's go. So this is actually what I decided to do, is put three pendants down that are completely different types of pendants to make like a pendant collage.
That one.
So this is actually the color it used to be, and he's painting it white. He's also going to be painting this black, so it will look very different.
I can buy this one.
Here,
I can buy the one 4.5. They sell it. The 4.5.
that one, like that one.
4.5.
Black one.
Yeah.
Say hi to my friends.
Hello?
Can I go now? I can
Kamal's
go
the best painter.
Uh,
You guys should hire him. I will leave his details down below.
I can get
okay.
He doesn't know I'm a YouTuber.
you this thing. Okay. No.
Yeah, he's scared, he worked with my friend. My friend is the boss. Really boss.
This is the guest bedroom. How pretty is that teal color? Well, it's like a jade color. I love it so much. It looks really good with like this color furniture, that rattan colored furniture. Rattan. It looks really good with that. He's painted white. Remember the little spider that's up there? There's a family of spiders. You guys freaked out about this, by the way. And this is completely normal because we leave the windows open, so the paint actually dries quicker, and by the time Adam and I and all of us move in, the paint fumes are not strong. It's a water-based paint, so there shouldn't be a problem anyways, but we want it to air dry as much as possible.